Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss the exercise number 2.4 quadratic function. You know about the quadratic equation already in 10th standard. Let it is considered P of it is x that is equal to ax square plus bx plus it is c. It is quadratic equation here where a, b, c are belongs to this capital R and especially a is not equal to 0. And this condition is satisfied and the given P of x defined by this quadratic equation. We know about the remainder and the factor theorem. You learn the 10th standard level. For example, P of x that is equal to x square plus it is 5x plus it is 7. We are applying of it is a remainder theorem. The remainder theorem, what the remainder theorem says, without applying of it is long division method to find the remainder by applying of remainder theorem. For example, it is x square plus it is 5x plus it is 7 and this equation is divided by it is x minus it is 1 to find out the remainder. So therefore the divisor defined by x minus 1 that is divided that is equal to 0, x that is equal to plus it is 1. Now this x equal to plus 1 substitute in the P of x to find the remainder. P of it is 1, x value equal to 1 substitute in the polynomial that is equal to 1 square plus it is 5 into 1 plus it is 7 that is equal to 1 plus 5 plus 7 and that is equal to it is 12 plus 1 it is 13. Therefore remainder for this long division will obtain finally the remainder is equal to 13 by applying of it is a remainder theorem already we know. And similarly applying of it is factor theorem. What the factor theorem says, if it is x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial x square plus it is 5 it is x minus it is 6 supposed to be. Now we can find the factors are minus it is 6 and plus it is 5. Therefore it is 6 into 1 plus it is minus. Therefore x minus it is x minus 1 into x plus it is 6 and that is equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 1 and x that is equal to minus 6. And therefore the two term it is 1 and it is minus 6 are factors of the polynomial. Therefore it is x minus 1 x plus 6 are two factors of the polynomial x square plus x plus 5x minus it is 6. X minus 1, x plus 6 are two factors of the polynomial x square plus 5x minus it is 6. If the x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial and therefore what is the condition here? It satisfied it is the polynomial. Therefore one of the factors called x minus 1 supposed to be f of 1 that is equal to 1 it is square plus it is 5 into it is 1. Then minus it is 6 that is equal to 1 plus it is 5 minus 6 that is equal to 6 minus s that is equal to 0. Therefore that implies it is P of it is 1 that is equal to 0. Therefore it is the polynomial of value equal to 0. It is called remainder equal to 0. If remainder equal to 0, then corresponding it is called one of the factor of the polynomial and it is called it is factor theorem. So simply it is the function value of P of it is 1 will obtain the value remainder is equal to 0, the value equal to 0, the remainder equal to 0, therefore it is P of 1 equal to 0. What we have considered a divisor, that is called it is a factor. Divisor is called one of the factor of the polynomial, that is called factor theorem. Now using this quadratic equation, let us consider y equal to x square plus it is ax square plus it is bx plus it is c. And using this equation find out as it is value of it is x by applying a quadratic formula minus it is b plus or minus square root of it is b square minus 4ac by it is 2 into a. Apply this quadratic in this formula to find the value of it is x, value of x. Now given it is quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. From that it is just we have to find the sum of the roots. The letters it is defined by alpha and it is beta are roots of the polynomial. It is P of it is x. Now sum of the roots defined by it is minus it is b by it is a. Sum of the roots alpha beta are called two roots of the equation, therefore sum is called alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b by a. We know that summation. Then product that is equal to defined by that is equal to c by it is a. C by a. C by it is a. Then the product defined by alpha beta is called product, that is equal to c by it is a. C by it is a. This is called sum and the product. If you know about the sum and the product, using the sum of the roots and the product roots, find out as it is form the quadratic equation by applying of the equation x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product that is equal to 0. Applying of it is the sum and the product to form the quadratic equation x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of roots that is equal to 0. Using the quadratic equation, quadratic function, just we discuss some of the problems in this exercise 2.4. Now first one, example number 2.10, 10th example. If a and b are the root of this equation x square minus bx plus it is q equal to 0, find the value of 1 by a plus 1 by b. Now the given equation x square minus it is px plus it is q that is equal to 0. Here a that is equal to 1, then it is b equal to minus p, c equal to it is q. Now we can define by it is sum of the roots that is equal to minus b by it is a formula, and that is equal to minus into minus plus it is p by a value equal to 1, that is equal to p. The roots are defined by a and b, therefore it is a plus b is called sum of the roots. Therefore, a plus b that is equal to p. The next one, the product of roots that is equal to c by it is a. That is equal to c is defined by q and a defined by 1, and the product defined by it is a into b. Therefore, ab that is equal to q. Now what we want to find the value of 1 by a plus 1 by b. Therefore 1 by a plus 1 by b that is equal to, taking common denominator equal to ab, just cross product term a plus it is b, that is equal to a plus b equal to p, then ab equal to q. Therefore the value of it is 1 by a plus 1 by b equal to p by it is q. That is finally it is simplification. Next, example number 2.11, 11th example. Find the complete set of all value of a for which the equation x square minus ax plus it is a plus it is 2 that is equal to 0. As it is equal roots, the equation x square minus ax plus a plus 2 is equal to 0 has equal it is roots. Now from the given equation x square minus ax plus it is b plus it is a, the given equation x square minus ax plus it is a plus it is 2 equal to 0. From that find first it is ABC value. Now here a, capital A that is defined by it is 1. Then capital B that is equal to minus it is a. Then it is capital C that is equal to a plus it is 2. Instead of small ABC, instead of it is 1, we can take capital ABC because already we have it is small a in the equation for convenience. Now given that the equation has it is equal roots. Equal roots meant what? It is roots are defined by it is alpha and alpha. Two roots are it is equal roots. Now using that find out as it is sum of the roots that is equal to minus b by it is a. That is equal to minus into minus plus and it is small a by capital A value equal to 1. Therefore it is sum of the roots alpha plus alpha plus it is alpha. It is called the sum of the roots, that is equal to 2 alpha that is equal to a, alpha that is equal to a by it is 2, a by it is 2. Now next the product of roots, the product that is equal to capital C by it is a, that is equal to C equal to a plus it is 2 by a value equal to 1. Then the product defined by it is alpha into alpha, that is called alpha square. that is equal to a plus it is 2 by it is 1, it is called, it is alpha square value. Now just it is replace it is alpha value in this equation. Therefore alpha equal to a by 2, replace here. Therefore what is it? A by it is 2, it is whole square is equal to a plus it is 2. Alpha value equal to a by 2 already obtained, and that alpha value substitute this equation, alpha value equal to a by 2 whole square, alpha square that is equal to a by 2. Now just multiply terms in the bracket, a square by it is 4 that is equal to a plus it is 2. Just cross by term, a square that is equal to 4a plus it is 8. Just transfer the term, a square minus 4a minus it is 8, it is equal to 0. Now we want to factorize minus it is 8 minus it is 4. So now we are able to factorize by applying of it is quadratic formula method only. We have to simplify. A only given, you can take capital it is a equal to 1 and capital B equal to minus it is 4 and capital C equal to minus it is 8, minus 8 is 8. Now to find out as it is value of it is A, therefore A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of it is B square minus 4AC by 2 into it is A, and it is equal to, and B value equal to minus 4, minus into minus it is plus it is 4 plus or minus square root of B value equal to minus 4 it is whole square minus it is 4 into A value equal to 1, C value equal to minus it is 8 by 2 into A value equal to 1, that is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus plus it is 32 by it is 2. The next line that is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of, adding the value it is 16 plus 32 equal to 48. 48 by it is 2. And that is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of it is 16 into it is 3. That is by it is 2. That is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of it is 16 into 3 by it is 2. That is equal to 4 plus or minus 4 into root it is 3 by it is 2. We can take 2 common from this 2 term. 2 plus or minus 2 into root 3 by it is 2. 2 are cancelled. That is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 into root 3. Therefore A that is equal to 2 plus 2 into root 3 and then 2 minus 2 into it is root 3, that is value of it is A. Come to next example number 2.12, 12th example. Find the number of solution of this equation x square plus modulus of x minus 1 that is equal to 1. Now we know about it is modulus. If it is f of x that is equal to modulus of it is x, then if it is x is less than it is 0, the modulus of x equal to minus x. If it is x is greater than or equal to 0, modulus of x that is equal to it is x. F of x equal to modulus of x, then what is the value of it is x value? If x is less than 0, that is negative value of it is x value, and the function value equal to minus x, and x is positive value or equal to 0, the function value equal to x. Using this it is argument. Now what we have to find, the f of it is x that is equal to modulus of x minus it is 1, and it is equal to, if x minus 1 is less than 0, that is called x is less than it is 1, transfer the 1 that side. For this 1 minus of it is x minus it is 1. If it is x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, that is x is greater than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 1. For that 1, it is x minus 1 is called function value. If you multiply into the bracket, minus x plus it is 1, if it is x it is less than it is 1, x minus 1, if it is function is it is x is greater than or equal to 1, and it's called it is function value of it is modulus of x minus it is 1. Now using this modulus of x minus 1, just we have to simplify here. Case 1, modulus of it is x1, modulus of x minus 1, x is less than it is 1. If it is modulus of it is x less than 1, what is that value? That is equal to minus x plus it is 1. So therefore, the given equation x square plus modulus of x minus it is 1, that is equal to 1. Just replace modulus of x minus 1. X is less than 0. What is the function value? X minus x plus it is 1. If it is modulus of it is x minus 1, if x is less than it is 1, the function value equal to minus x plus it is 1. Therefore, the modulus of x minus it is 1, we can write as it is x less than it is 1. X less than 1, we have to replace the function value equal to minus x plus it is 1. Therefore, x square minus it is x plus it is 1, that is equal to 1. Just transfer the side. X square minus x plus it is 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus x plus 1 minus 1 cancel, is equal to 0. Therefore, we can take it is x is common from these two terms. X minus 1, that is equal to 0. X that is equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, it is x that is equal to plus 1. X that is equal to 0. Therefore, it is solution set for this it is equation. We have it is 0 and it is 1. 0 and it is 1. Next, we have to consider modulus of x is it is greater or equal to 1. We have to simplify the simplification. Now, come to the case it is 2. The modulus of x minus 1, if it is x is greater or equal to 1. If it is greater, if x is greater than 1, what is the modulus value? It is x minus it is 1. X minus 1. Therefore, given equation x square plus modulus of x minus 1, that is equal to 1. Now, x square plus modulus of x minus 1. In the case of it is x is greater or equal to 1, what is the function value? X minus it is 1. So, x minus it is 1, that is equal to 1. Now, transfer the 1 to the side. X square plus it is x minus 1 that is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus it is x minus 2 that is equal to 0. Now, just we have to factorize minus 2 and it is plus it is 1. Minus 2 plus it is 1. Therefore, it is 2 into 1 plus and minus. And plus into minus, minus 2, then add the value plus it is 1. Therefore, what are the factors? X plus it is 2 into x minus 1 that is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 2 equal to 0. Then it is x minus 1 that is equal to 0. X that is equal to minus 2 and x that is equal to plus it is 1. Therefore, it is x equal to minus 2, it is not, it is a value because it is this function take x is greater or equal to plus it is 1. Therefore, no way to get x value equal to minus it is 2. Therefore, we can consider the x value that is equal to it is plus it is 1. Though already we obtained solution that is equal to 0, 1. Therefore, this it is equation in the case of it is x less than it is 1, we obtain 0, it is 1. And x greater or equal to 1, we obtain x value equal to 1. Therefore, the solution set, therefore it is solution set that is equal to 0, 1. And the solution of it is given it is equation. To next exercise problem 2.4. First one, construct the quadratic equation with the roots 7 and it is minus 3. Therefore, the given roots are 7 and it is minus 3, that is defined by alpha and it is beta. Now, the sum of the roots that is equal to, what is that? It is sum of the roots 7 plus it is minus 3, sum of the root that is equal to plus it is 4. The product that is equal to plus it is 4, 7 and minus 3 that is equal to minus it is 21. Now, using the set sum and the product, form this equation x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product that is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus sum of the roots defined by it is plus it is 4 into x and the product defined by it is minus 21 and that is equal to 0. To construct the new it is quadratic equation by applying a formula x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product that is equal to 0. Come to next second sum. A quadratic polynomial has one of the its 0, that is called root or it is 0. So one of the roots are given 1 plus root it is 5 and it satisfies p of it is 1 that is equal to 2 and find out as it is a quadratic polynomial. So now let us consider p of x that is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is called, it is required, it is a quadratic polynomial, it is quadratic equation here. Now as for given that p of it is 1 that is equal to 2, it is called when x that is equal to 1, the corresponding polynomial value equal to 2, that is called, it is by applying of remainder theorem. Therefore put P of it is x value equal to 1, that is equal to a into 1 square plus b into it is 1 plus it is c. Therefore it is the P of 1 value equal to it is 2, that is equal to P of 1 is what is given, that is equal to 2, that is equal to a into 1 plus it is b into 1 plus it is c. Therefore a plus b plus c, that is equal to plus it is 2, we can call this equation as equal to 1. Equation it is 1. Come to next, one of it is zeros given 1 plus it is root 5. Therefore one of the roots, that is called roots, or it is zeros, that is given it is 1 plus it is root it is 5. That means it is P of 1 plus root it is 5, that value it is obtained 0 by applying of it is factor theorem. If one of it is zeros of the polynomial, the function values obtained remainder equal to 0. That is called function value. A function value is called x plus it is x value equal to 1 plus root 5. That corresponding value of x, the function value obtained 0. Then only we can say 1 plus root 5 is called one of it is roots or one of zeros of the polynomial. Therefore, in the given it is P of x, just substitute x value equal to 1 plus root 5. Therefore, it is a into x value equal to 1 plus root it is 5 it is whole square plus b into 1 plus it is root it is 5 plus it is c. It is called P of x. X place just we have replaced it is 1 plus root 5 and that is equal to 0. Next line, a into 1 square is called 1 and root 5 into root 5 it is 5 plus it is 2 into 1 into root 5 it is called root it is 5 plus b into 1 plus it is root it is 5 plus it is c that is equal to 0. Now add the value it is 6. Therefore a into 6 plus 2 into root it is 5 plus it is b into 1 plus it is root it is 5 plus c that is equal to 0. Now this it is equation is defined by it is 2. Defined by it is 2. Now given one of it is root of the equation, that is 1 of 0 of the equation, 1 plus it is root 5. Therefore one root is defined by 1 plus it is root it is 5. Then another it is root is defined by 1 minus it is root 5. And 2 or it is conjugate to each other. One root is 1 plus root 5. Then another root is 1 minus it is root 5. It is 2 or it is conjugate to each other. Therefore 1 plus 1 plus it is root 5, one of the roots. Then another root defined by 1 minus it is root 5. Now 1 minus root 5 also one of the zeros of the polynomial, one of the roots of the polynomial. Therefore we can consider when x is equal to 1 minus it is root 5, substitute in the given it is polynomial. P of it is 1 minus it is root it is 5, that is equal to a into x value equal to 1 minus it is root it is 5 it is whole square plus it is b into 1 minus it is root it is 5 plus it is c, and that is equal to a into 1 square is called 1 plus it is root 5 into root 5 minus it is 2 into it is root it is 5 plus it is b into 1 minus it is root it is 5 plus it is c. Therefore here it is called it is a factor. Therefore the P of it is 1 minus root 5 value equal to 0 because of factor. What we substitute here same. One of it is 0 so the polynomial 1 plus root 5. Therefore the P of 1 plus root 5 equal to 0 because of factor theorem. Same, it is also one of the factor. Therefore P of 1 minus root 5 also it is value equal to 0. And it is equal to add the term that is equal to 6. Then 6 it is a plus it is within the bracket a into 6 plus 6 minus and that is equal to a into 6 minus 2 into root it is 5 plus it is b into 1 minus it is root it is 5 plus it is 0 and that is equal to 0, and this equation is defined by it is equation number it is 3. Now come to next, just we have to separating of it is second equation minus first equation. Second equation minus first equation, that implies second equation a within the bracket 6 plus 2 into root it is 5 plus it is b into 1 plus it is root it is 5 plus c is equal to 0. Second equation. First equation a plus it is b plus c and that is equal to plus 2. Now what is that? Separate equation it is minus separate equation minus into plus minus minus into plus minus minus into plus minus. Therefore just we have to separate these two equation and a into c plus it is 6 plus 2 into root it is 5 minus it is a. Then plus it is b into 1 plus it is root it is 5. Now here it is minus. Therefore it is 0 minus it is 2, it is minus 2. Therefore a we can take commonly 6 plus 2 into root it is 5 minus it is 1 plus b into 1 plus root it is 5 minus it is b, that is equal to minus 2. Therefore a into separate these two terms 6 minus it is 1 plus it is 5 plus 2 into root it is 5 plus it is b into plus 1 minus 1 cancel root it is 5, that is equal to minus 2. Therefore a into 5 plus it is 2 into root it is 5 plus it is b into root it is 5, that is equal to minus 2. We can call this equation number it is 4. Equation number it is 4. Third equation minus first equation, that implies a within the bracket of 6 minus 2 into root it is 5 plus it is b into 1 minus it is root it is 5 plus c, that is equal to 0. Third equation. First equation a plus it is b plus it is c, that is equal to plus it is 2 plus 2. Now separate the equation minus into plus minus minus into plus minus minus into plus minus, it is minus. Therefore minus c plus c cancel. Now just separate the equation a within the bracket of 6 minus 2 into root it is 5 minus it is a, then plus it is b into 1 minus root it is 5 minus it is b, that is equal to minus 2 plus 0 minus it is 2 minus 2. Take a is common, a within the bracket 6 minus 2 into root it is 5 minus it is 1 plus it is b into 1 minus it is root it is 5 and then minus it is 1, that is equal to minus 2. And separating the value 6 minus 1 is called 5. A within the bracket 5 plus 2 into root it is 5 minus 5 into minus 5 minus next line a within the bracket 5 minus it is 1 is called a within the bracket 6 minus 1 is called 5 minus 2 into root it is 5, then plus it is minus plus cancel and it is b into within the bracket minus it is 5, that is equal to minus 2. Therefore a within the bracket of 5 minus 2 into root it is 5 and plus into minus minus b into root it is 5, that is equal to minus 2. We call this equation is called as 5. Now next fourth equation and separating of it is fifth equation, that implies adding the fourth equation, add it is fifth equation. Fourth equation, add fifth equation. Fourth equation, that implies it is a into 5 plus 2 into root it is 5 plus it is b root it is 5, that is equal to minus 2. Then fifth equation, that implies a into 5 minus 2 into root it is 5 plus it is minus it is b into root it is 5, that is equal to minus 2. Now just it is adding this two equations. What is it? Plus b root 5 minus root 5, both are it is cancelled. Therefore all the term a within the bracket of 5 plus 2 into root it is 5 plus it is a into 5 minus 2 into it is root it is 5, that is equal to minus 2 minus 2 minus it is 4. Now just add the value, take it as a is commonly 5 plus 2 into root it is 5 plus it is 5 minus 2 into root it is 5, that is equal to minus 4. Then plus it is 2 root 5 minus root 5, both are just cancel. Add the value, it is 10, it is a, it is equal to minus 4. Therefore, a equal to minus 4 by it is 10. Therefore, a is equal to minus 2 by it is 5. This value of it is a. Now, just it is a value substitute in the fourth equation. Therefore, substitute it is a value equal to minus 2 by it is 5. And in the fourth equation, what is fourth equation here? A value, a into 5 plus it is 2 into root it is 5 plus it is b into root it is 5, that is equal to minus 2, it is called fourth equation. Now replace a value equal to minus it is 2 by 5, minus 2 by it is 5, within the bracket of it is 5 plus it is 2 into root it is 5 plus it is b into root it is 5, that is equal to minus 2. Just transfer the term to right hand side equation, therefore b root it is 5 is equal to minus 2 plus it is 2 by it is 5 within the bracket of 5 plus it is 2 into root it is 5. And it is equal to, take it is common denominator equal to 5 multiply minus 10 plus it is multiply inside the bracket plus it is 10 plus it is multiply 4 into root it is 5. That is equal to minus 10 plus 10 will cancel. 4 it is root it is 5 by it is 5. It is 4b into root it is 5. Now just rewrite, transfer the root 5 right side equation. Therefore, b equal to 4 root it is 5 by 5 into root it is 5. Therefore, root 5 cancel. That is equal to 4 by it is 5 is called, it is 4 by it is called, it is b value. Now already we know what is the equation. It is 1. Equation 1, a plus b plus it is c. A plus it is b plus it is c, that is equal to 2. Now we know the value of it is a. Value of it is a equal to minus 2 by it is 5 plus value of it is b 4 by it is 5 plus it is c, that is equal to 2. And just it is transfer this 2 term right hand side equation. Therefore, c equal to 2 plus it is 2 by it is 5 minus it is 4 by it is 5. Taking common denominator equal to 5, just multiply term, it is 5 it is 2, sorry, it is 10 plus 2 minus it is 4. That is equal to, take it is 5 is common denominator and add the value, it is 12 minus 4, therefore it is plus it is 8. Therefore it is c value is equal to 8 by it is 5 is called c value. Now what is the polynomial? It is p of x. Therefore we have p of it is x defined by it is ax square plus it is bx plus it is c. Here it is a value is equal to minus 2 by it is 5 into it is x square plus it is b value equal to 4 by it is 5 into x plus it is c value equal to 8 by it is 8 by 5. Now just we have to take it as a term. It is minus it is 2 by 5, it is common, minus 2 by 5 it is take commonly, plus it is x square minus it is 2 it is x, because 2 into 2 is called 4, 1 2 we can take it out, then minus it is plus it is 4. So minus into plus minus 2 by 5 into x by first term, minus plus 2 2s are 4 into x by it is 5 second term, and minus into minus it is plus 2 into 4 is called 8 by it is 5. Therefore the p of x, the required it is quadratic polynomial. It finally we obtain the polynomial equal to minus 2 by 5. The finally we obtain the quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to minus 2 by 5 x square minus 2x minus 4, and it's called finally it is simplification. Come to next question number 4. If one root of this polynomial k into x minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 5x minus 7 is double the another it is root. One root of the polynomial is equal to double the another it is roots, and show that it is k value equal to 2 or it is minus it is 25. Now given it is equation k into x minus it is 1 whole square is equal to 5x minus 7. Now applying of a minus b whole square formula, therefore k into x square minus 2 into x into 1 is called x plus it is 1 square is called 1 is equal to 5x minus it is 7. Therefore just multiply the k value inside the bracket. It is k x square minus it is 2k it is x, then plus it is k minus it is 5x minus plus it is 7 that is equal to 0. Just transfer the term. Now k x square, and then taking off it is x term is common, two terms are x term, it is minus 2, it is k, minus it is 5x term, plus it is constant term k plus it is 7, that is equal to 0. Now in this equation, here it is a defined by it is k, then it is b is defined by minus k minus it is 5, then c is defined by it is k plus it is 7. Now what is given the equation? One of the roots is double the another. Let us consider the roots are defined by one root is called alpha, another root defined by 2 alpha. One root is alpha, another is double is called 2 alpha. Now using this alpha, 2 alpha, and find out as it is sum of the roots, that is equal to minus it is b by a, it is formula. Minus it is minus of it is minus 2k minus 5. Minus it is 2k minus 5 is called b by a equal to k. A equal to k. Now what is it? The sum of the roots? Alpha plus 2 alpha, that is equal to 3 alpha equal to minus minus plus it is 2, it is k, minus minus plus 5 by it is k. Therefore alpha is equal to 2k plus it is 5 by it is 3 into k. Just transfer the 3 to right hand side equation. This is called it is alpha value. The next one, find the product of the roots, that is equal to c by it is e, that is equal to c is defined by k plus it is 2 by a is defined by it is k, then it is the product defined by alpha into 2, it is alpha into 2 alpha. Therefore alpha into alpha square, 2 alpha square, that is equal to k plus it is 2 by it is k. Just transfer it is 2 value, alpha square equal to k plus 2 by 2 it is k, it is called alpha square value. In this alpha square, that is equal to k plus 2 by 2k, we can replace alpha value in this equation. Therefore what is alpha? 2k plus it is 5. 2k plus 5 by it is 3, it is k, it is called alpha whole square. Alpha whole square is equal to k plus 2 by it is 2, it is k. Just this equation, just substituting of it is alpha value equal to 2k plus 5 by 3k. We have just obtained. Now get the power into the bracket. 2 it is k plus it is 5 it is whole square by it is 3 it is k it is whole square, that is equal to k plus it is 2 by it is 2k. Now applying of a plus b whole square formula, 4 it is k square plus it is 5 5s are 25 plus it is 2 into 5 is called 10, again multiply by 2 it is 20 it is k, then by 9 it is k square, 9 it is k square, that is equal to k plus 2 by it is 2k. Therefore next line, 4 it is k square plus it is 20 it is k plus it is 25 by 9 it is k square is equal to k plus 2 by it is 2 it is k. Now 1k will cancel, therefore 4 it is k square plus it is 20 it is k plus it is 25 by 9 it is k, that is equal to k plus 2 by it is 2 by it is 2. Now just cross product the terms, multiply 8 it is k square plus it is 40 it is k plus it is 50, multiply, that is equal to 9 k into k it is k square plus it is 9 into 2 it is 18 it is k. Now biggest k square value right hand side, all the term transferred to right hand side equation. Therefore 9 it is k square minus it is 8 it is k square plus it is 18 it is k, then minus 40 it is k, then it is minus it is 50, that is equal to 0. Therefore separating these two terms it is 1k square. Then separated term it is remaining, and 20 separated term it is k square minus separating of these two term minus 40 plus it is 18 and minus it is 22 it is k, then minus it is 50, that is equal to 0. Now just we have to factorize a term minus minus it is 50 plus it minus it is 22. Therefore, we want to multiply 25 into it is 2. The next one, the product of the roots defined by C by it is A, that is equal to C equal to K plus it is 7 by A value equal to it is K. Therefore, the product is called alpha into it is 2 alpha. That is equal to alpha square is equal to K plus it is 7 by it is K. Transfer the 2, alpha square is equal to K plus it is 7 by 2 it is K. It is alpha square value. Now already we obtained alpha value that is equal to, alpha value equal to 2K plus 5 by 3K. Now just it is substitute in this it is equation alpha value. Therefore alpha value equal to 2K plus it is 5 by 3 it is K, it is whole square. That is equal to K plus it is 7 by it is 2 it is K. Now get the square inside the bracket. 2K plus it is 5 it is whole square by 3K it is whole square, that is equal to K plus it is 7 by it is 2 it is K. Now just it is transfer the term and square the value. It is what? 2 it is K into it is 2 it is K plus it is 5 it is whole square, that is equal to 3 it is K it is whole square into it is K plus it is 7. Now just square the term. 2 it is K within the bracket of it is 4 it is K square plus it is 2 into 5 it is called 10, again it is 2 it is 20 it is K plus it is 20 it is 5, that is equal to 9 it is K square within the bracket of it is K plus it is 7. Now just it is 1K will cancel. Now what is remaining? Just it is multiply the 2 inside bracket. 2 into 4 is called 8 it is K square plus it is 40 it is K plus it is 50, that is equal to 9K into K it is 9 it is K square. Then 9 into 7 is called it is 63 it is K. And just it is all the term transferred to right hand side equation, because K square biggest to right hand side equation. The K square value biggest in right hand side equation, all the term transferred to right hand side equation. Therefore 9 it is K square minus it is 8K square plus 63 it is K, then minus 40 it is K, then minus it is 50, that is equal to 0. Plus will become minus 50. Therefore 9 it is K square minus 8K square plus it is K square, and separating the term it is plus it is 23 it is K minus it is 50, that is equal to 0. Now we want to factorize minus it is 50 and minus plus it is 20 it is 3. Therefore it is 25 into 2 it is called it is 50, and plus it is minus. Plus into minus 25 into 2 25, and separate the value plus it is 23. Therefore we can write factors are K plus it is 20 it is 5 into K minus 2 is equal to 0. Either it is K plus it is 25 equal to 0, or it is K minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore K equal to minus is 25, and it is K is equal to plus 2. Therefore K is equal to 2, or it is minus it is 25. Value of it is K. K equal to 2 or it is 25. The value of it is K, that we want to prove. Come to next question number 5. If the difference of the root of this equation 2x square minus a plus it is 1 into x plus a minus 1 is equal to 0 is equal to, there it is a product, and prove that a equal to it is 2. Now given that 2x square minus of it is a plus 1 into x plus it is a minus 1, that is equal to 0, given equation, and here a that is equal to 2 quotient of it x square, then it is b that is equal to quotient of it is x, that is equal to minus of a plus it is 1, and constant term equal to a minus 1. Now using that it is sum of the roots, that is equal to minus it is b by it is a, and here we can define alpha and it is beta, or it is defined by it is root of this equation. Therefore alpha plus it is beta is called sum, and minus plus it is a plus it is 1 by it is 2 is called it is a value. Therefore alpha plus beta, that is equal to a plus it is 1 by it is 2. Then product, that is equal to c by it is a, that is equal to a minus 1 by a value equal to it is 2. Therefore it is product defined by alpha beta, that is equal to a minus it is 1 by it is 2. Now here given that difference of the roots is equal to that it is corresponding it is product value. Therefore difference of root defined by alpha minus beta is equal to the product is called alpha into beta. Now already we know alpha into beta value equal to a minus 1 by it is 2. It is called alpha minus beta value. Alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha minus beta whole square is equal to 4 alpha beta by formula. Now here alpha plus beta, we obtain alpha plus beta equal to a plus 1 by 2 whole square minus alpha minus beta equal to a minus 1 by it is 2 it is whole square is equal to alpha 4 into alpha into beta equal to a minus 1 by it is 2. Just replace alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta into alpha into beta value. Now get a square in the bracket, a plus it is 1 it is whole square by it is 4 minus a minus 1 it is whole square by it is 4, that is equal to cancel it is 2 into a minus it is 1. Now expand the value, you can take it as common denominator equal to 4, expand value it is a square plus 2a plus it is 1 minus of it is a square minus it is 2a plus it is 1 a minus 1 whole square formula, that is equal to 2a minus it is 2. Now just remove the bracket, it is a square plus it is 2a plus it is 1 minus it is a square plus it is 2a minus 1 by common denominator equal to 4, that is equal to 2a minus 2. Now plus minus a square will cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, therefore adding the value 4a by it is 4. Therefore we have it is 4a by 4, that is equal to 2a minus 2. Therefore 4 will cancel, a equal to 2a minus 2. Just transfer the two terms, therefore it is plus 2 is equal to 2a minus a. Just transfer a, the side is minus it is a. That is equal to 2a minus a equal to a, that is equal to 2. Therefore we want to find it is a is equal to 2. We want to prove that value of a is equal to 2. Come to next question. Question number 7. If the equation x square minus ax plus it is b equal to 0 and x square minus ex plus f equal to 0 have one root in the common, and two equations have it is one root as it is common, and if the second equation has it is equal root, second equation have equal it is roots, then prove that it is e is equal to 2 into b plus it is f. Now here define alpha and beta root of this it is equation x square minus ax plus it is b is equal to 0, and it is alpha is a common root of both it is equation. Now first we can take from this equation x square minus it is ax plus it is b and is equal to 0, first equation, and here it is capital A that is equal to 1, that is quotient of it is x square. Capital B equal to minus it is a, quotient of it is x. Then constant term defined by b. Then it is sum of the roots defined by minus it is b by it is a. That is called alpha plus it is beta is called sum of the roots, that is equal to minus into minus it is plus it is a by it is 1. That is equal to alpha plus beta, that is equal to it is a. Alpha plus beta is equal to a. Then product that is equal to defined by c by it is a, that is equal to c equal to b, a equal to 1, and then it is alpha beta that is equal to b. Therefore alpha beta that is equal to b, beta that is equal to b by alpha. B by it is alpha is called beta value. Now from the second equation, what is second equation? X square minus EX plus it is F, that is equal to 0. And here capital E is equal to 1 and capital B equal to minus E, capital it is C is equal to F. Therefore it is the roots are defined by, and the second equation both roots are equal, therefore it can define by alpha are defined by, it is root of this equation x square minus it is Ex plus F, that is equal to 0. Therefore it is sum of the roots that is equal to minus it is B by it is A, that is equal to minus plus it is E by it is 1 and that is equal to E. Therefore sum of the roots are what? Alpha plus it is alpha, that is equal to 2 alpha, that is equal to E. Therefore alpha equal to E by it is 2, alpha equal to E by 2. Then we can say that next one it is the product. Therefore the product of roots is equal to C by it is A, that is equal to C equal to F by A value equal to 1. Then product defined by alpha into alpha, alpha square is equal to it is F, alpha square is equal to F. Now what is we obtain alpha plus beta equal to A. Alpha plus beta, that is equal to A. Now here we can substitute beta value equal to B by alpha. Alpha plus beta value equal to B by it is alpha is equal to A. Now taking off it is common denominator alpha, just multiply alpha square plus it is B, that is equal to A. Just transfer the term, alpha square plus it is beta by B is equal to A into alpha. A into alpha. Now here it is B alpha square value equal to F. F plus it is B as it is and A as it is, alpha value equal E by 2, alpha value equal E by it is 2, and this 2 transfer to left hand side equation, 2 into F plus it is B, that is equal to A into E. Therefore just we want to prove that A is equal to 2 times of B plus it is F, A is equal to 2 times of B plus it is F, that we want to prove. Dear student, exercise number it is 2.4. Some of the sums, examples and exercise problem, some of the sums are being completed now. The remaining sums are resemble of it is 10th standard it is model, and using that it is techniques, just we have to try as it is homework. Thank you, Munanda.